Hey guys, today I would like to review another product is coffee grinder. It has capacity 25 gram hand adjustment steel core cleaning brush included with the product. Actually, I am going to review about 5 products with different sizes, different capacities, but you can choose any product you like. Most are same and company are same. So let me get their video how the product looks like. It has a hand, I mean you can just move the product through hand and you will get coffee grinder without any electricity. So and quality is very good. See how it's moving. Okay, let me go next photo and images. The shape, how we can hold the product. It's very handy product and you can use for your coffee. Just grind it, use it directly. And also you can get right, you are watching the review gallery, you see how many people are actually giving the positive rating. This means the product is really good. 5 star product, 419 rating, that means 5-star products. So there's no problem to purchase this product for your family, office, or wherever you like. And the quality is good because they say that, oh my god, best grinder ever, upgraded from a Rhino hand grinder I have been using for 7 years. It is so much easier and faster to grind my beans with my brand new hand grinder. No regrets. Amazing product. Everyone all over the country is buying this product without any question. So I find this product very helpful for you and also for your family to purchase. And if you want more information, I think you don't need too much information, because too much information will not give you the best product. So my recommendation of this product is really good, and it is one of the best product is because it is made with stainless steel. Okay, good for your health. And I am adding 4 more products below in the description. You don't need to check anything else, just go for order, because all our products already checked by me. And why the product is good? Because high sharpness burst, consistent grinding, comfortable hand grip, precise coarseness. What is professional manual grinder? Okay, premium quality, original patent per good blade, I think. Good quality, no doubt. This is CNC cutting molding stainless steel burrs, really good. Aluminium support, great, no doubt. So espresso mocha, you need 0.8 1.1 circles. I've already added 4 more so that you can purchase according to the price as well as the size of grinder coffee you like to get. And also you can, I think, grind some other products too with this coffee grinder. So this device is for grinding coffee beans only, not again other material. It is recommended to clean with brush, don't wash it with water. Be careful of the sharp metal bars. Keep kids from using it. These are the precautions. Keep it in cool and dry places. It is not recommended that customer disassemble or replace any parts of it. If you have any specific requirements, you can operate with the advice from a professional person. Warranty is not available. If you are against the above remarks, using the grinder coffee beans, the device is not refundable or returnable unless there is a quality problem, because bars may get damaged after use. Because if you grind and other products which is very hard than coffee, obviously it will damage, because everything has capability and capacity. So no question, please check the description. All the products get purchased by today, and I think this is best review, 5 stars, 419 rating, amazing. It's a black, it's a pro, whatever I choose. Price is slightly differences, price is not a matter because product is good. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel for next videos. I'm giving the best product so that you can purchase the product from my link. This will help me to get support my channel as well as my hard work for you. Thank you.